Hello and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Steve and today I'm showing you around this KTM 690 SM. It's a 2007 bike and a 07 plate. It's covered around 9,500 miles. It has had a clock change done on it. When they were changed, they converted the miles to kilometres, so it actually read less on the new clocks. We do have the paperwork and the original clocks for it, so we can show you all of that just to prove it. So this is going to be a trade bike, so there's no warranty given with this bike. It will be sold as seen. In terms of riding, it's absolutely fine. I mean, I've been out on this bike this morning, gearbox is fine, it rides nice, it stops well. It's purely cosmetic reasons as to why we're not going to be retailing this. But obviously, I will show you the reasons on that. So starting off at the front, it has got a little bit of a mark here. The paint has peeled away from the nose cone. Obviously, either get that painted, wrap the front, anything like that will cover it up. The mirrors have been taped, so the rubbers behind here, they do split, and that is what's happened with this one. So they've been taped up. Around the front, there's just little marks all over the bike really. Down here there's tape on there. I don't know if that's to protect it from stone chips or what, but I'm not taking it off in case it all peels off behind it. Bit of a mark on this side, and then the casings as well, they're all slightly scratched up and marked. But for an 07 bike, it is tidy, it's what you'd expect. But like I say, it's just not something we want to retail in here. There is a dent on the aftermarket cans with this. It has got twin dominator R cans, which you'll hear in a minute. Sounds absolutely mint. The wheels slightly chipped, marks around them, but yeah, in terms of if you wanted something just get A to B, mess around on, you're not too bothered about the cosmetics, it's kind of ideal bike for that. On this side, again, the paint is peeled down here as well. And coming down to this side casing, there's marks on this casing here. Little bits of blemishes on the case, but again, it is an 07 bike. Has got a Scott oiler on it though. It's a cool little extra, so it'll constantly keep your chain lubed up for you. Again, dominator can on this side as well. Coming up towards the clocks. So these are the new clocks. The original ones, the needle snapped, hence why the previous owner had new clocks made. It says 6,344. When the clocks were changed over, it was on 7,500, I believe, but they're done in Germany. So they read that as kilometers and put that into miles, but it should have been, they put 7,000 and whatever it was into miles, but they didn't. They converted it from kilometers to miles. We do have the paperwork to back this up, so it is all legit, but it's just well worth noting. The heated grips on this, they don't work. They turn on and off, but they don't actually heat up. Obviously, it's a trade sale, we're not going to sort that out. Just give it a little start up. Sounds awesome with them cans on it. You know, really nice. They have still got the baffles in as well, so without it would be extremely loud. It does crackle and pop on downshift, which is a nice little thing even with the baffles in it. So that's it from me. Obviously, if you're interested in the bike, give us a call, send us a message, whichever's easiest. Come in and see it, but obviously this is a trade sale, so delivery side of it won't be free. If you do need delivery, we can do it at a cost, but we can sort that out when you inquire. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.